are welcome to Geojay solution tutorial channel. I am Emanjay Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to open Excel data in Google Ads or how to import Excel data into Google Ads. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now we have this data in Excel, series of points with its latitude and longitude, and we want to open this Excel data in Google Ads. To do that, you have to save this Excel data in comma separated value CSV. So to do that, click on File and click Save As. Navigate to the folder where you want to save it. In this exercise, let's just save it as Excel data. Then here you choose the format, and the format is CSV comma delimited. So click that, click Save, click OK, click Yes. Now we have saved it as Excel data. Now let's go to Google Ads. This is Google Ads. To load the data or to open the Excel data, come to File. You see Imports. Click Imports. Then navigate to the data. So the data is this Excel data. Click on it and click Open. When you click Open, it will display these canvas. So you see the preview of your data. Make sure this delimited file type delimited is checked, and here comma is checked. You see the preview of your data here. Click on Next. Here the latitude field is our latitude, which is this latitude, and the longitude field is our longitude, which is this longitude. Then click Next. Here the field, we have three fields in our data. We have the serial number field, we have the latitude and longitude. So here the serial number is an integer, while the latitude is floating points and longitude is also a floating point because you have it in decimal degree. Then click on Finish. When you click on Finish, it will ask you, do you want to apply a style template to the features you ingested? Click Yes. So it will bring this dialog box. Then the field, set the field to label it. Here we are choosing the serial number. So here color, choose the color for the points. Let's choose red. Click on OK. So here under icon, choose the icon for your data. Let's choose this icon. So you click on OK. It will ask you to save it as Google Style Template. Click Save. So it will navigate and zoom to your locations. Now it has taken us to where our data is. To see our data, come to this table of contents and check this our Excel data. Check it. You can see all our points are displaying. Remember, we label it with serial number. So this is it. So this is how to open Excel data in Google Ads. Please, if you have comments or questions, ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.